Want your Windows 11 programs to open maximized every time? In this video, I'll show you how to do it easily. Search that program in Windows search box. Now, right-click on that program icon in Search Result and click on Open File Location. Now, right-click on your program icon and choose Properties. Now look for the drop-down menu associated with the Run option under the Shortcut tab. You need to select the Maximized option from the drop-down menu list. Once everything is set, hit the Apply and OK buttons for your changes to take over. That's it. Now every time you open the program using this shortcut, your program will launch as maximized. You can even pin this program to the taskbar for easy access by just dragging and dropping it to the taskbar. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.